As one of the world's leading military forces, the US Air Force has always been at the forefront of innovation and technology. From the first powered flight in 1903 to the development of modern aircraft and drones, the Air Force has consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible in aviation. And its most recent invention is no different. The US Air Force has admitted to creating something so advanced that it will destroy everything. So join us as we unravel this latest and sophisticated creation of the US Air Force, whose super advanced capabilities will no doubt send shivers down your spine. You see, while tactical, ultra-short pulsed lasers have a rich history dating back to the 1970s, the US Air Force has now successfully transformed this technology into a revolutionary and highly versatile weapon system that can be integrated into a variety of different military platforms. This newly improved laser technology has a huge potential to greatly enhance the capabilities of Army platforms, and it's already making waves in the defense industry. In terms of its development, this advanced laser technology is still in the prototype phase, but it's already undergone a series of successful tests and is now expected to be deployed in the field in the near future. Let's start out by taking a closer look at how this laser works. The tactical ultra-short pulsed laser is incredibly powerful, with a peak intensity that can reach up to 1,000,000 times higher than the sun. This super advanced and revolutionary laser is housed in a compact, portable device that can be easily carried by military personnel in the field. When activated, the laser is capable of generating a series of ultra-short pulses that are directed towards the target. These pulses are nothing like you've ever seen before. They're so fast and intense that they can cut through steel and other materials with ease. But the tactical ultra-short pulsed laser isn't just a weapon. It can also be used for non-lethal applications, such as disabling electronic devices or blinding enemy combatants. It utilizes a high-energy beam of light to deliver precise, powerful strikes on the target. This beam is so intense that it can likewise cut through metal, shatter glass, and even destroy electronic systems within a second. This powerful new laser from the US Air Force emits extremely short bursts of light and has a pulse duration that ranges from femtoseconds to picoseconds. Now, you may not have an idea what that means, but it's incredibly fast. And for comparison, a femtosecond is 1/quadrillionth of a second. Now, because of this extremely fast pulse duration, this revolutionary new technology has a unique ability to cut, weld, and melt materials with unprecedented precision. In fact, it's so precise that it can cut through materials without causing any heat damage to the surrounding area. This makes this laser perfect for a wide range of military applications, including target identification and ranging, as well as for disabling or destroying enemy equipment. When this laser is fired, its energy gets quickly absorbed by whatever material it's used to target as soon as it makes an impact. It causes the material to rapidly heat up and expand. You see, what's even more interesting is the spiral reaction that it triggers after impact. I bet you've never seen anything like it before. Here's how it works. The expansion from the laser's impact causes a shockwave to travel through the material, creating a small explosion on the surface. This shockwave then removes a small amount of material from the surface, creating a clean and precise cut. From what's been witnessed so far during the series of tests conducted using this maiden laser technology, this incredibly advanced and groundbreaking laser is now widely expected to revolutionize a wide range of industries, even outside of the military. And if you're already wondering how the laser achieves such incredible levels of power and speed, well, it all starts as it begins to gain medium. Right at this moment, a special type of material is released that amplifies the laser's energy. This material further gets excited by an electrical current, which causes it to emit photons or particles of light. These photons are then passed through a series of mirrors and lenses, which shape and focus the laser beam into a concentrated, ultra-short pulse. But this is just the beginning, especially as this ultra-short pulsed laser also has several advanced features, such as adjustable pulse duration and energy levels, allowing it to be customized for a variety of different applications. You see, you may have heard of lasers before, but the tactical ultra-short pulsed laser is in a class of its own. Its extremely short pulse duration allows the laser to achieve extremely high peak powers in the order of petawatts. To put this into perspective, that's about 1,000,000 times more powerful than the average power output of the entire human race. This truly unique laser technology from the US Air Force also has the rare ability to perform non-linear optical processes. This means that the laser can interact with matter in ways that are not possible with traditional lasers. For instance, it can be used to generate high-energy photons and create plasma from solid materials. The possibility for this technology are beyond exciting, and experts now predict that what the future holds for the tactical ultra-short pulse laser will be even more stellar. The military possibilities with this new technology are excitingly endless. It could be used to take out enemy drones, disable enemy vehicles, or even disrupt enemy communications. Because it operates at a range of up to a mile, it can be used in a variety of different scenarios as well. And as we've mentioned earlier, the Air Force's new laser technology can be mounted on a variety of different platforms, making it one of the most versatile military weapons ever developed. This includes ground vehicles, aircraft, and even ships, with this dynamic capability making the tactical ultra-short pulse laser a valuable tool for any military operation. According to US military experts, the tactical ultra-short pulse laser is simply an amazing technology that has the power to change the way America defends its territory and protects its citizens. The laser uses high-power fibers that are made of specialized materials which strengthen its beam, making them extremely powerful and precise. These fibers are made from specially coated materials that amplify the light as it travels through them. These high-power fibers essentially allow the laser beam to travel at speeds of up to 300 million meters per second, making it nearly impossible to avoid or evade. This allows the laser to deliver much more powerful and precise strikes than traditional lasers. Additionally, the large amount of light energy that these high-power fibers can conduct greatly enhances the tactical ultra-short pulse laser's ability to also function effectively in non-lethal capacities, like temporarily disabling adversaries during a battle without causing any permanent harm. Another advanced technology of this new laser is its adaptive optics. This technology makes the laser capable of adjusting its own beam to compensate for atmospheric distortions and ensure that it stays focused and accurate over long distances. It allows the laser to adapt to changing conditions in real time, ensuring that the beam remains focused and accurate, and this is especially useful in fields where conditions can vary drastically. This technology likewise allows the laser to generate ultra-short pulses with greater spatial and temporal control, while also making it capable of remote sensing. The Air Force's new laser is similarly capable of adjusting its wavelength. And if you're wondering why this is important, well, different wavelengths of light are absorbed by different materials. So being able to tune its wavelength is essentially what allows this laser to effectively target a wide range of materials. By being capable of tuning the wavelength of its beam, the TUSPL is likewise able to optimize its performance for different scenarios. For example, it can tune its wavelength to match the absorption spectrum of a particular material or to minimize the amount of energy absorbed by the atmosphere, which in turn helps it in maintaining its intensity over long distances. The TUSPL also features multiple beam configurations. When configured to produce multiple beams, this advanced laser becomes capable of targeting multiple threats simultaneously, making it an incredibly effective tool for defense. While both the single and multi-beam modes of the TUSPL function with high levels of accuracy and precision, the US Air Force also installed a beam sweep mode function in their newest laser technology. When configured in this highly powerful mode, the laser can rapidly scan an area and target multiple threats in a short period. This is particularly useful in situations where there are many threats present, as it allows the TUSPL to quickly and efficiently take them all out. According to some US military experts, the TUSPL's different beam configurations are what makes it an invaluable tool for the US Air Force and is essentially what sets it apart from every other laser technology ever developed. But as with any high-energy weapon, this highly advanced laser generates a lot of heat, which is high enough to damage the system and reduce its effectiveness. As such, this weapon system likewise comes equipped with robust and advanced cooling systems to ensure that it continues to operate at maximum efficiency. The TUSPL's cooling system is a combination of air and liquid cooling technologies that work together to remove heat from its system. While air cooling uses fans to circulate air around the laser component, liquid cooling uses a special coolant to transfer heat away from the laser. The Air Force's newest laser is likewise capable of adjusting its cooling level based on the amount of heat it generates. This further allows the system to operate at maximum efficiency whilst also conserving energy. But the most advanced functionality of this laser has to be its advanced control systems. You see, the tactical ultra-short pulse laser is equipped with advanced control systems that allow it to be operated remotely and automatically. The TUSPL control system is composed of several components that work together to ensure the laser is always operating at its optimal level. This includes a laser energy control system, a beam quality control system, and a beam pointing control system. The laser energy control system is responsible for regulating the amount of energy being transmitted through the laser, ensuring that it's always within the desired range. This system also monitors the temperature of the laser, making sure it doesn't get too hot or too cold, which can affect its performance. The beam quality control system, on the other hand, is responsible for maintaining the quality of the laser beam, ensuring that it's always focused and stable. This system is able to detect any deviations in the beam and make adjustments in real time to maintain its quality. And finally, the beam pointing control system is responsible for ensuring that the laser beam is always pointed in the desired direction. This system uses a variety of sensors and algorithms to constantly track the position and orientation of the laser, making adjustments as necessary to keep it on target. Together, these advanced control systems allow the TUSPL to deliver a highly focused, stable beam of energy with incredible accuracy. It's no wonder that this laser technology has quickly become a key part of the US Air Force's arsenal. The tactical ultra-short pulse laser is not only a powerful weapon, but it's also highly efficient and cost-effective, requiring very minimal maintenance while having a long lifespan. And while we can't say for sure what the future holds for the tactical ultra-short pulse laser, it's definitely a technology to keep an eye on. As it continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see it become an even more integral part of the US military's arsenal.